in this tutorial, I'm gonna just a what I call it again, an intro to the indicator I'm going to talk about volatility 75 and volatility indices. And secondly, I'm going to show you the three systems you need to use and update about the system I always talked about. Now, this is the first system we're going to talk about, and the video link where you watch how I explained how to use this indicator is below. And the second one below here is the divergent trading, which is divergent SMACD. I've explained that in the next video. The third one here is the former indicator I said I did a video on, that should be last year, last 2 years or so. And here is the filter of it, where I removed all this noise. Just a little tweak I did, and all this noise went out, and I got the full trend on the full signal there that doesn't repent, guys. So, but before that, I want to talk about something here. Many people have encountered on financial markets usually put all their hope, all their trust, all their heart, all their soul, all their mind, even their future mind or future soul into indicators. Do not put your mind, do not put your heart into indicators. Do not put your soul into indicators. Learn how to trade. Learn the financial market itself. Believe in yourself. Don't believe in indicator. Don't put your heart in indicator. Most people believe in so many things and they get killed by it. Some people get so many have so many protection stuff and they are being killed in it. We all know about the story about Titanic. They bragged that the Titanic can never sink. At last it sank. So don't put your trust on system. Don't put your trust on indicator. Only use it as a confirmation to pick a trade. Chase from so and so is not working. Please, do you know how I'm using it? Do you know how to tweak it? Do you know how to break the indicator and start using it? Please, please, please. First of all, understand price action. Understand how to use indicators in your MT5 or MT4 if you're trading forex, if you're trading binary, if you're trading volatility. But this time around, I've been releasing some different softwares. I've been doing some video reviews on softwares on indicator you can be using and tell you how to use that indicator and so many other things which I've been doing on my video you're watching on YouTube. Now, this indicator contains a lot of things, and the other one, the second one contains, and the third one contains too. But aside that, you need to learn, study the market first, learn what is forex trading, because before you venture into volatility, before you venture into binary option, before you venture into forex, learn the forex pattern, then learn forex trading. So when you get that knowledge of forex trading, you can be able to trade any market. When you are good in price action, you can be able to do what trade market. When you are able to understand the candle pattern like engulfing, pin bar, hammer, and all those candle formations or movements. When you begin to understand this arranging pattern like its support and resistance area, minor support and major support areas, you begin to understand market. When you begin to learn how to indicate where support turns to resistance and resistance turns to support, somewhere like this resistance area, it breaks away, turns back again, turns to support. That means resistance will turns to support, move out again, test the area and break out again. Sometimes resistance turns towards support, support turns towards resistance area. So when you begin to understand those things and know how to use your trend lines, know how to draw your trend lines very well for a breakout, know how to use your trend lines on a full breakout. For example, you draw a trend line from this spot to this spot. Now there's a very big space and a very small space here, which means here you're going to have a heavy fall. I call this trend line space smooth trading. I'll still lecture about that on my forex classes about trading it. So that's it now. So in the next video, you're going to see how a little explanation of this indicator and this one too, and the little things I talked about this one too. So the link below this video you are watching, if you're using a mobile phone, click on show more, you see the links. My contact detail is there, my WhatsApp number if you want to use this system. It is compiled together, and you can also use it to trade financial markets, volatility indices 75, 100. You can use this to trade every volatility pairs you see here. Every step index. If I add step index to this platform, you can see how the signal comes in. You can be able to do what trade step index on a buy, on a sell. See how it gives you signal on a buy, on a sell movement, and a buy sell movement or a sell movement. And of course, make sure breaks out to this area before you pick what a trade. Remember guys, make sure it breaks out to 50 before you do what, pick a trade. And here is the squeeze here. So on this fake out signal, sell signal, you see it's a fake out signal. All this signal comes in, it's just a squeeze below this market. You neglect that because this is a ranging pattern where you can place your higher high and place your lower high here and wait for what? And wait for a breakout to occur. A breakout occurred on this area and mark for a sell, you hit the sell and closes up again. Market moves and touch support area. So when a breakout occurs, take note that it's going to do what? Retest what? The previous support area. As it goes up, make sure you're going to retest this area. Retest this area, went up again and begin to range up. So at the current time now, I'm doing this video, the market is just ranging on what? 15 minutes time from a step index volatility. So we are now looking for a position of what? A sell. How do you do that? You put your higher high here, put this one here, set an alert. When a breakout occurs or the breakout occurs at this first zone and second zone, then what do? You put a sell trade and the market will move in your favor because if it breaks down, if it breaks out these two areas, that which means it's coming down to do what? To test what? This area as your take profits. But a short movement from here to here is going to give you cash if you have a good capital. Now I think I'm going to talk more about this on my video. Now you can see this trend line here now being drawn automatically for you. The market has already broken this area. So even if I place a sell position, I can also use what? I can also use a trial stop loss and scalp this area because the market is ranging on this pattern, playing with my emotion here. So you don't trade when you see this. But you've already gotten a sell signal, yes, but it hasn't crossed 50 moving average. So when it crosses it for down movement, and this is trying to come up to break out zero level, the red line, which is the sell signal, trying to break out the zero level upward. So when it breaks out this area, then you can now begin what? Enter trade and try your what? Movement and try your entry. Alright, that's it for now. So the link below the disease expansion of this indicator is below this video. My contact details below this video if you want this indicator. And what else? If you have any question about this, you ask me. You ask me on WhatsApp number, which I will be talking about investment packages, guys. So always stay tuned for that and more tips to you, more successful trading to you, and more cash to your pocket on trading financial markets. This is Zagatech Effects Prince Swift signing off for now. Bye for now. Stay tuned for the next video and don't forget to watch it and share to your friends. Alright, thank you.